Hello everyone, today we're doing a presentation on ATP synthase, and that is the protein that I was assigned, and I wrote my paper about it, and here is my presentation. So the first slide is kind of just describing, what I'm doing, obviously, and here is just kind of a basic illustration for ATP synthase, and it's just kind of displaying, as you can see here, which one is F0 complex and which one is F1 complex in ATP synthase. And also you can see a good display here is the green represents what is moving in the process of ATP synthase and what is not moving, so static and rotating. So basically this is just a basic understanding of what the F1 process is here. So it would be this alpha, beta, gamma, and then the delta, as well as the sigma right here. The next slide kind of has a way more in-depth description of this picture. So we can see it contains an F1 layer, a F0 layer, both found in the inner mitochondrial membrane of the cell. It is located in the mitochondria due to many layers of the mitochondria used to get as much ATP as possible stored within the mitochondria, and the mitochondria is perfect for this because it has so many folded layers that the ATP can fit very well in there once it is created by the ATP synthase. The F1 complex is the first component of ATP synthase, found in the matrix of the mitochondria, and it contains 5 subunits, as we can see here: alpha, beta, gamma, and sigma. And then secondly, the purpose of the F1 complex in ATP synthase is to use energy in production of ATP, and it basically is the main function and the main working parts in the ATP synthase process. The F0 complex of the ATP synthase is only made up of 3 subunits, which are A, as you can see here, lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase c, which is also a rotary process of the ATP synthase. So pretty much A and B kind of just hold everything in place on the cell, and C is the main rotary complex or a subunit of the ATP synthase. In this last slide we have an additional table for ATP synthase, and this is just kind of a broad overview and conclusion of the presentation, stating that ADP goes into and ATP comes out, and it is stored within the cell. And that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching my presentation and reading my paper. It's a long paper, and I understand that it can be hard to go through that. But yeah, this is ATP synthase and the presentation for that. Thank you.